Still too hot. Give it a minute.
I will list all of the ingredients in the caption, but here they are also. You're gonna have all your cheeses, olive oil, minced garlic, and ricotta. I put my pizza round in the oven to preheat while the oven was preheating, and then I went ahead and just worked with my dough. You're gonna take your olive oil and your garlic and your pepper flakes, put that on the crust first, and now it's just time to have fun with all your cheeses. Go with your heart. I went with my heart, and you know, that's the best way to go. I did baby dollops of ricotta all over the pizza, which turned out amazing, and you're gonna bake it in there for about 10 to 11 minutes till you have a nice golden brown. But I wish there was some smell-o-vision because look how yummy it tastes. I had some extra cheese that I topped it off with, but now it's time to give her a try.
It's good. My only regret is not making the dough, but I was in a pinch and I wanted to make this. And then you can chop up some arugula, sprinkle some fresh arugula on top. Me personally don't like arugula. It is a good combo with the ricotta and all the cheeses. This is delicious. Don't do store-bought dough, make fresh dough. Or go to your local pizza place and ask for dough, fresh dough.